So here is the before of my model, and here is me now sectioning off the haircut to get started. So as you can see, I've taken a center section down the middle of the back, dividing the right side from the left side. Then I took two A-line sections, one on each side, and these A-line sections are how I'm going to section off the haircut to establish the length and outline throughout the haircut. So I am now combing the right side down so that I can establish the length on the right side. Once I've done that, I will comb down the left side and do the exact same thing. So now it is time to cut the frame the face layers in the front of the haircut. And so I'm taking a section from the front of the ear forward, combing the hair straight down. And then what I do is I simply hold the hair and use my scissors simply kind of like a pencil, where I will sketch in the layers, working from the outline up to however high I want the layers to start. So if I want the layers to go to the jaw, I'll work from the outline up to the jaw. If I want it to go up to the lips or cheekbone, wherever it is, I'm going to start typically at the bottom, as you can see right there, and work my way up. layers on the right side as far as framing the face. I'm now going to do the exact same thing on the left side. Now it is time to do the interior layers throughout the haircut. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a center section, pulling the hair straight back and cutting the layers in a square shape. Now, I'm slowly going to lift the hair and round the layers as I get higher up to the crown and then working my way to the top of the head. So square, straight back, and then rounding the higher up I go. So now what I'm going to do is work the layers on the right side of the head first. I'm going to take vertical sections, over direct to the previous section that I just cut, and I'm going to do that for all of the hair on the right side. Once I've completed that, I will then implement all of the layers on the left side. Completed the layers on the right side, I'm going to do the exact same process on the left side. Completed cutting all the layers, I blew dry the hair dry, and now I am basically cutting the fringe slash bangs dry. You always want to cut the bangs dry. If you cut the bangs wet, what happens is they will shrink up from wet to dry. So you want to make sure that you don't cut them wet because they will be much shorter after they dry, which is why, of course, you want to blow dry the hair first, then cut the bangs. Come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.